How to download and log in to CWU's VPN client. Open your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type in asgard.gw.cwu.edu and then hit enter. Enter your CWU username and the password associated to your account and click Login. Please click the blue button that states Download for Windows. Once the download has completed, please run the installer. You will be prompted to click Next, and then on the second screen, you'll be asked to accept the terms in the licensing agreement before hitting the button. From there, click the Install button. After installation is completed, navigate to the search bar on the bottom left and begin typing AnyConnect. The Cisco AnyConnect tool will appear at the top of the list. AnyConnect will appear in the bottom right. The server address you need to enter will be asgard.gw.cwu.edu. Then click the Connect button. You will be prompted for a username and password. Make sure and put CWU / before your CWU username. This will be your normal My CWU password. Congratulations, you are now connected to the VPN client.